Hey everyone, I'm Baljendra Kapoor, your workshop chair for FSIR 2022. On behalf of the entire annual meeting committee, I sincerely wanted to thank you for your resilience and enthusiasm while having FSIR 2020 and 2021 virtually. Now, returning back to having FSIR 2022 in person is empowering for both our education and research. We have a terrific scientific and educational program lined up for you. In addition to this, there will be fantastic networking opportunities for you, your colleagues, and corporate partners. Despite the challenges of past 2 years, you will see that the spirit of innovation is both alive and well. Come and see for yourself the magic of FSIR 2022. Thanks again, and we are very much looking forward to seeing you in Boston.